हमें शब्द का इस्तेमाल इस तरह से करना होगा जैसे सामने वाले को क्या बता रहे हैं वो क्लियर हो जाए। होता क्या है, हमारे दिमाग में कुछ रहता है और बताते कुछ और है, इसलिए बहुत कन्फ्यूज़न क्रिएट होता है। तो इस वीडियो में हम लोग बात करेंगे इंग्लिश होमोफोन्स के ऊपर। While we do communication, it depends on many important factors. Use of a correct word is an important part of it. Welcome back to my channel Indian Spotlight. Today in this video, we are telling you how to use a word correctly before the person you are talking about so that whatever you want to say is conveyed without any confusion. If you like the video, then do share it among others. Do like, comment and don't forget to subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications. So what are you waiting for? Firstly, we will study about the definition of homophones. Homophones are pairs of words that sound the same but have distinctly different meanings and different spelling. হোমোনিমস হচ্ছে সেই সব শব্দ যারা শুনতে একরকমের লাগলেও তারা কিন্তু তাদের অর্থ এবং বানানের দিক থেকে সম্পূর্ণ আলাদা। Understanding homophones is an essential part of mastering English language, both for vocabulary building and spelling. If you want to improve your vocab as well as the spelling capacity in English language, then learning of homonyms is an important part. So let's have a look into the example. There is a pear that is good to eat. এখানে pear শব্দটা হচ্ছে একটি ফ্রুটকে সাজেস্ট করে যেটা খেতে ভালো। Similarly, the same word can also be used in other sentence. If you are talking, I use a pair of gloves because I have two hands. যেহেতু আমার দুটো হাত তার জন্য আমার দুটো গ্লাভস লাগবে। এখানে pair of gloves means suggesting two gloves. Similarly, তাহলে আমাদের এটা বুঝতে পারলাম যে হোমোফোনসগুলোর অর্থ কী। আরও একবার আমি বলি, হোমোফোনস আর দ্য ওয়ার্ডস যাদের সাউন্ড শুনতে এক কিন্তু তাদের মানে এবং বানান সম্পূর্ণ আলাদা। WEEK weak and WEAK. The first one is suggesting a noun that is describing a period of 7 days. সপ্তাহের যে 7 দিন সেটাকে আমরা উইক বলে জানি। এবং দ্বিতীয় যে শব্দটি রয়েছে সেটি হচ্ছে একটি অ্যাডজেক্টিভ যেটা ডেসক্রাইব করে সামওয়ান অর সামথিং হু ইজ নট স্ট্রং। তো এক্সাম্পলগুলো হবে দেয়ার আর 7 days in a week, the first one, and the second one will be she has been sick and is still weak. These three words there is the most confusing words in English grammar. Firstly, while we speak, we all pronounced the same words in the same manner. But very few of us know about the correct usage of these three words individually. So to clear your doubts, firstly, there are the first one that is an example of a contraction of they are. So the example will be they are going to be the last if they don't hurry. তারা যদি জলদি বা তাড়াতাড়ি না দৌড়য় তাহলে কিন্তু তারা শেষে থাকবে। The second one, there, THERE, there is referring to a place. It can also be used as an adjective as well as an adverb. The books are right there. বইগুলো সেখানেই আছে means it suggests a location. Similarly, the two words tell is also an example of homophones. The first word tell, TALE, it talks about a report or a story, and in English it is used as a noun. Similarly, the second one, TAIL, it is a noun and a verb. Both has several meanings including the rear part of an animal or a vehicle. The example of these words can be I love the fairy tale Cinderella. Similarly, the second one example it would be the fox has a bushy tail. Now it's the time to learn about the word hole. The noun hole, HOLE, refers to an opening, a hollow place. Similarly, on the opposite hand, the adjective whole, WHOLE, means entire, complete or unbroken. So both the words HOLE, it is an example of a noun, and WHOLE, it is an example of a adjective. The examples, it would be the golf ball went in the hole, and the second one, I ate the whole pizza. Have a look into the word hour. HOUR, hour is a measurement of time. An hour is 60 minutes long or 1/24 of a day. The example of this word would be there are 60 minutes in an hour. এক ঘন্টাতে 60 মিনিট থাকে. On the opposite hand, hour, OUR, it is an example of possessive determiner, which is a pronoun that is placed before a noun in order to indicate possession or belonging of someone else. Example होगा our class is going to the museum. আমাদের ক্লাস একটি মিউজিয়াম বা জাদুঘর পরিদর্শনে যাচ্ছে. Look at the word through. When we are talking about THREW, that is an example of past tense of the verb through. It is the word you use to say something through or a loop. Similarly, the second through, THROUGH, it is an example of an adverb and a preposition. Means this word can be used both as an adverb and a preposition. It is used to say that you entered or one side of something and existed on another side. Example, we are swimming through the water means from one part of the water to another part of the water. And the second example, she threw the ball to her brother. Now we will learn about the word for. Here it is also one of the important homonyms in English grammar. While we are talking about for, for means किसी के लिए और बांग्लाते আমরা বলি জন্য. Example would be what do you want for lunch? তুমি লাঞ্চে কি চাও? Similarly, the word for is an example of a cardinal number, cardinal adjective. So the word for it suggests সংখ্যায় 4. For example, I see 4 apples. আমি দেখতে পাচ্ছি 4টে আপেল. Look at the word ate. Here we can also find ATE, that is the past form of eat, which means consume food, যেটা বোঝায় কোনো খাবার খাওয়াকে. The word eat is derived from Old English word eaten, that means to devour food or to consume. The word eat is an example of a transitive verb, which is the verb that takes an object related to words that are eats, eating, eaten or eater. On the opposite hand, there is a word ate. The word ate is an example of cardinal adjective, যেটাকে বাংলায় বলে আট. যেমন উদাহরণ হলো I can't believe I ate the whole thing. And the second one, there are 8 cars in the parking lot. SO and SEW. These are the two words that are also categorized to be the homophones in English. Example, so SO, he runs so fast. খুব জলদি বা তাড়াতাড়ি সে দৌড়তে পারে. Even the second example would be, will you please sew on the button?
ऐसा नहीं चलेगा, लाइक ठोकी दबा के.
SEE and SEA both are pronounced in the same manner. The word SEE, it means perceive something with eyes. কোনো কিছু চোখ দিয়ে দেখাকেই বলা হয় see বা look. Do you see the teacher? তুমি কি শিক্ষককে দেখতে পাচ্ছ? Similarly, in the second word SEA, that refers to the ocean that covers the earth, the mass of salt water that surrounds the land masses. So geographically, the word sea is having some different idea. The example would be the ship travels on the sea. সমুদ্রের মধ্যে জাহাজ চলাচল করে. We are going to discuss about the differences of homophones in terms of the word to. The first word TWO, it refers to an example of a cardinal number, cardinal adjective, যেটার অর্থ হচ্ছে 2। দ্য বেবি হ্যাজ 2 নিউ টিথ, ছোট্ট শিশুটির দুটো নতুন দাঁত বেরিয়েছে বা আছে। I have too much homework. Here, too is an example of an adjective that refers to something that is means or more or very. I have too much homework. আমার অনেক হোমওয়ার্ক আছে। Third one, too. Too is an preposition that is used to show location, distance or motion. যেমন the astronauts went to the moon. যারা মহাকাশচারী তারা চাঁদের উদ্দেশ্যে তারা যাত্রা শুরু করলো। এখন আমরা দেখব যে কি ডিফারেন্স বা কি ভুল আমরা এই সেন্টেন্সগুলোর মধ্যে পাই। যদি তোমরা নিজেরা এগুলো প্র্যাকটিস করতে পারো, দেন ইট উড বি বিকাম ভেরি গুড ফর ইউ টু লার্ন দিস থিংস। আমি সেন্টেন্সগুলো একবার পড়ে দিই। আই উইল চিউ টু টেক দ্য অ্যাডভাইস, প্লিজ ওয়েট ফর মি, দ্য সান ইজ ভেরি ব্রাইট টুডে, what is the main idea, I need a new pair of shoes. So in these sentences you will find out the homophone mistakes, so you have to correct it. Now you are a homophone expert. Whatever content I have discussed in this video, I do hope that it is making you enriched.